Alright, so for hamstrings, first thing I'm gonna do is single leg RDLs. I'm gonna start incorporating those more. Really focus on each hamstring, get a stretch. I might just incorporate both single leg RDL and just regular RDLs. Alternate like single leg, regular like that. So I haven't done these in a while, so I have no idea how much weight I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna start with 135, see how that feel. And that might be heavy. So okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one set of regular RDLs, both legs, and then with that set, I'm gonna go into single leg after. So I'm thinking maybe 6 to 8 reps regular, and then 4 to 6 singular, and that'll count as one whole set. So regular, single, single, one set. So then 3 sets. Three of those, 3 full sets. Only thing I'm worried about is grip strength wise, holding the bar for so long. Hopefully, it doesn't feel like it's slipping out my hand. But I might just have I reverse it. Yeah, that's where I was. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little break in between before I go. Mainly for my hands. Ooh. Oh, my grip strength is killing me. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. Like the weight not heavy or nothing. I'm getting a good stretch. It's just my hands. Just feel like it's gonna fall out of my hands. Ooh. Yeah, I might need to. I don't want to say lower the weight, but I know if I lower the weight, it'd be easier to hold. Like weight wise, I can do it, but it's just feel like it's slowly just coming out my hands. Um, what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? I might need to take the 45s off just so it doesn't slip out of my hand. Let's see. I'll see how this next set go. If if I'm still struggling to hold it, I'm probably just gonna have to drop it down. That way I can focus on my reps and not really focus on if I'm gonna drop it or not. Like I said, I really don't want to lower the weight, but I might have to just to compensate grip wise, and I don't have any straps to help with that. So I mean, I got some work gloves that might help. Yeah, I might try that. That might actually help. Cause like I said, it's just the weight. I mean, not the weight. It's just the grip is not the weight. But I mean, it's hard to lift when the bar is slowly slipping out your hand. That didn't help. That didn't help. Might be time to invest in some straps when it comes to stuff like this anyway. Like this. Move on to the other foot. At least try to get 4. At least 4. Come back for 2 more. I'm just gonna end it off with a regular set of RDLs. I'm out of breath. It's hot today. Oh, gotta love working outside. Gotta love working outside. Come on. Couple more. Couple more. One more. Okay. That'll end off this workout. I gotta figure out. Probably just gonna have to buy some straps or maybe even some gloves. Or either the work gloves I was talking about. I don't know. I gotta do something. But that'll end off this video here. Kind of upset. It wasn't really a good workout. But God loves you. I'm out.